Kudadinginna, 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 tagadinginna, kudadinginna, 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 kudadinginna.
Namaskaram to one and all. Hope you are staying at home and hope you and your loved ones are healthy and safe. I'd like to thank CFAS and the alumni community for coming up with this amazing opportunity for all of us alumni. Thinking of arts for the hearts, I thought I would present three pieces. My first one is a piece called Abhayakaram. Some of you may be familiar with it. It is on Lord Vishnu and his Dashavatarams, or his 10 avatars. And I think it's quite a relevant piece for now, as we have seen and read in the news. COVID-19 has had many positive effects on nature, and the last avataram of Mahavishnu is Kalki, who is said to come at the end of the Kali Yugam to sort of restart or regenerate this cycle of life and death, and restart the world in a sense. And I truly believe that this is almost like a warning to us that if we do not mend our ways, that is where we are heading. So I hope you enjoy the piece. It's one that's extremely close to my heart for a variety of reasons, but one of the main ones being that it's choreographed by one of my gurus, Guru Sanjit Lal, and it's the first piece that was choreographed for me. So it's something very close to my heart. I won't be able to do the entire item, so I'll only be doing a small excerpt. The first avataram, which is Matsya, and the last one, Kalki. It is a Raga Malika composition in Rupaka Talam, composed by Sri Madurai Muralidharan. So I guess we can go to the performance. I hope you enjoy it.
Kavalam கவலைகள் மறைத்த அரும் நான் மறை தன்னை அள்ளி தந்த அபயகரம் அல்லவோ ஆழியில் மறைத்த அரும் நான் மறை தன்னை அள்ளி தந்த அமக சரி சகா சக பகம பமப கமப நிச நிச சனி ச கனி ச பனி ச சக சனி ச நி பனி நி கனி ச நி தனி நிச நி த பக சனி த பம கரம் அல்லமோ கலியதன் ஓடியில் புறவியில் ஏறிய கவலைகள் தீர்க்க வந்தருளும் அபய கரம் அல்லமோ கலியதன் ஓடியில் புறவியில் ஏறிய கவலைகள் தீர்க்க வந்தருளும் சாரிணி சபானி மாபரே மணி பப பபரு மணி சரி மம பப மணி சரிணி சரி மணி பப பபரு சரி மணி சமமணி சரி மணி சரி பப மணி ரி சரி 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 ரி சரி தபன சரி தபன பய கரம் அல்லவோ மலை மகளுடன் உரை திருமாலவன் கரமலரது கவலை தீர்த்திடும் அபயகரம் அல்லவோ.
Learned this piece 5 years ago, and that's one of the things I've been doing to keep myself busy, is revisiting old gems of choreographies like this and old items that I used to really enjoy doing. So hope you're keeping yourself occupied as well. The next item I will be presenting is a Meera Bhajan, Hari Tuma Haru. I'm sure many of you will be familiar with this composition. Basically, I chose this piece as my second piece as I thought, since today's Arts for Hearts, I thought I'll try and tell a narrative of the situation that we're in today. So the first one being that it's a warning to us, and the second one being that Meera tells Krishna, every time a true devotee has called you with true bhakti in their heart, true love for you, you've always come to their aid. And at the end she asks him, please come to mine as well and get rid of all my troubles and sorrows. For me, for today, I believe that that is all of us asking him for his karuna, for him to come to our aid. Yes, so the three bhakts that I will be showing is Draupadi, Prahalada and Gajendra. And this is a composition of Meera Bhai, of course. The choreography is done by Srimati Prabha Basal. The ragam is in Darbari Kannada, and I hope you like it. Of course, I've had to tweak this as well due to time constraints, but I hope you still enjoy.
द्रौपदी की लाज रागी तुम बढ़ायो द्रौपदी की लाज रागी तुम बढ़ायो द्रौपदी द्रौपदी की लाज राखी तुम बढ़ायो द्रौपदी की लाज राखी तुम बढ़ायो लाज राखी तुम बढ़ायो द्रौपदी की 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 लाज राखी तुम बढ़ायो हरि तुम गरो जन की भगत कारण रूप नरहरि दयो आप शरीर भगत कारण रूप नरहरि दयो आप शरीर भगत कारण रूप नरहरि दयो
That was the Meera Bhajan. I hope you enjoyed it. The last piece I'll be presenting is a song called Karuna Chaivan. Some of you that have seen me perform before may know this composition. I had originally done this in a show that I had called Karuna Chaivan, which had been done to raise funds for the Kerala Relief Fund during the floods that had happened in Kerala. And the choreography is by my Guru P.N. Vikas. With his permission, I have tweaked the Sanchari slightly to adapt it to our context today. It's a small experiment, so please do give me your honest opinion as to how you like it. The ragam is Yedukula Kamboji. Talam is Chapa, if I'm not wrong. Choreography by my Guru, P.N. Vikas, with slight tweaks from me. So, hope you enjoyed. Once again, I'd really like to thank all of you for joining this live. Oh, sorry, I forgot the entire reason that I put this in today. I have choreographed it in a way as my little tribute and homage to the frontliners. I'm a Hindu and my Ishtadeva is Krishna, so that's why today's pieces are mainly Krishna centric. But I genuinely feel, regardless of what religion you follow, if any at all, we can all agree unanimously that the frontliners are no less than our gods right now. They are sacrificing so much just so that we can stay safe at home, which I hope you are doing, staying home and staying safe. But this is my small ode and small tribute to them. Yeah, I hope you like it. Do let me know your thoughts, not just on this item but also on the performance. Thank you.
തളരീണ കൈ തോഴുന്നേ. ശരണാഗതന്മാർക്കിഷ്ട വരദാനം ചെയ്തു ചെന്നേ. ശരണാഗതന്മാർക്കിഷ്ട വരദാനം ചെയ്തു ചെമ്പേ. ഗുരുവായൂർ ഭഗവൻ കരുണ ചെയ്യുവാനെന്തു താമസം കൃഷ്ണ തളരീണ കൈ